Hey, welcome to our channel. This is Rasmin, and today in this video I'm going to explain how did I make this pen holder. So here I have taken a cardboard of 32 by 42 cm. On the bottom I have marked 3 measures 4, 5 and 9 cm. We will need a compass, a scale and a pencil. For starting with the hexagonal base of the pen stem, I am drawing a straight line of 4 cm on the center. Now with the same measure, set the compass on the first point and draw an arc to the right and then another arc from the second end of the line. Now setting the compass on the center, draw a circle. Now setting the compass here, scribe an arc to the right to cut the circle, which will be the next vertices of an hexagon, and we'll repeat the same process to mark all the 6 vertices of the hexagon. Now we'll just simply join the points of intersection. Now with the same measure, set the compass on one of the vertices and draw a circle of 4 cm radius. Also draw another circle just beside it. Now from the point of intersection, trace an equilateral triangle. Now take the measure of 5 cm. Setting the compass on the top vertex of the equilateral triangle, draw a circle of 5 cm radius. From this point of intersection, trace lines making a triangle. Then take the measure of 9 cm. Taking this point as center, draw a circle. Then set the compass on the next vertex and mark an arc on the bigger circle. Then join the points. Now take the measure of 5 cm. Then place the compass on this point and mark an arc. And join the points. Now we shall repeat the same previous process for making an equilateral triangle. For that, take the measure of 4 cm. We already have a small circle here, so set the compass on this point and draw another circle. To this point of intersection, we will join the lines. Now we will take another measurement of 5 cm and draw a circle from the top vertex of the equilateral triangle. And join the points. Again taking the measure of 9 cm. We will draw 2 big circles from both the vertices. Then we'll take the measure of 5 cm and mark an arc here and then join the points. Repeat this process on all sides of the hexagon. If you have any queries or any kind of feedback, then do leave it on my comment section. Here it's done. Now we'll simply cut out the form with the paper cutter. Now we'll make slight cut on the linings so that we can band it nicely. Now we'll put a single layer of sellotape so that the mold becomes water repellent. Once we are done, we'll stick the ends from outside. Make sure to cover the mold nicely with tape. Here it's done. Now I'm making a hexagonal cup to place inside the mold. You can also check the detailed measurements on the description box. Stick the side nicely with tape. Also fix the bottom with sellotape. Here it's ready. For concrete mixture, use 420 gram of cement and little water. I have dried my project for 2 to 3 days. This is how a hexagonal shape will look inside. And if you want a circular shape, just simply push a circle of 3.5 cm radius inside the cup. Then simply peel off the cardboard. Now we'll use a sandpaper to sand down the rough edges. finally this is done. Hope you like it, and if you're still watching my video, then thank you so much. Make sure to leave a heart below.